Want to avoid your home renovation turning into a total nightmare with leftover mess and debris everywhere? So, first off, before you even start knocking down walls or ripping up floors, make sure you have a solid cleanup plan in place. It sounds simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. Always set aside time after each demolition phase to clear out all the debris, because letting it pile up just slows everything down. Use heavy-duty trash bags or rent a dumpster if you're dealing with a big mess. Don't just toss stuff in regular bins. Keep safety gear handy like gloves and masks, because dust and sharp stuff can mess you up. Check every nook and cranny for hidden debris, especially corners, and behind removed fixtures. If you're working with contractors, be clear that cleanup is part of their job. Don't just assume they'll handle it. And finally, take pictures before and after demolition to keep track of what's been cleared and what still needs attention. One of the biggest mistakes people make with demolition cleanup is incomplete debris removal, which can cause delays and safety hazards on site. Always do those thorough inspections to catch missed spots. Another common issue is not having the right disposal plan, so trash ends up in the wrong places or costs way more than expected. Renting a dumpster early on usually saves money and headache. The third problem is ignoring safety during cleanup, like skipping protective gear or rushing through the process, which leads to injuries or damage. Make safety non-negotiable every time. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted, local contractors who actually know their stuff and get cleanup done right. At the same time, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people ready to tackle big home projects without the usual hassle.